Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an analysis using a sample catalog and XML report from Customer Connect. I'm signed in as an HR specialist on the Customer Connect website, which is located at https://cloudcustomerconnect.oracle.com/pages/home. If I didn't have an account, I'd need to register for one. I'm looking for a sample report to use. Once I find one, I can use or modify it. I can search for sample reports, but one of the many that are already here will probably work. In fact, I can use this one. Once I find a sample report, I can see all the details as well as the report itself to make sure it's what I want. This report happens to be in a catalog. I'll need to download it to use it. I'll save the file to my Downloads folder. Now I'll unarchive the file in Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. I want to place my analysis in My Folders or in the Custom folder under Shared Folders. If I place the analysis anywhere else, it'll be lost in the next upgrade. Once the report is unarchived, I can see it and run it from here. Here's the report. I can use the controls to view additional details. Now I'll go back to Customer Connect and look at another way to use sample reports. In Customer Connect, I'll search for another report that happens to be an XML file. I can click the link to view details and then download the document from that page, or I can download it from the list of posts. Since I know this is the report I want to use, I'll download it from this list. I'll open the report in Notepad and copy the contents to the clipboard. Now that I've copied the sample code, I'll go back to my Business Intelligence and create a new analysis where I'll paste the code. I need to select the subject area I'll use with this report. I can choose any suitable subject area ending with real time. I want to make sure I delete the existing code before pasting the new code that I copied. Now I need to apply the XML. Then I'll run the report. Now I can edit the report, such as adding custom or flex fields if needed. Now I can save my analysis to My Folders or in the Custom folder under Shared Folders. If I place the analysis anywhere else, it'll be lost in the next upgrade. I'll enter the analysis title, and I have the option of entering a description. The report is now ready to be used, and I can view it here. This concludes the Taking Advantage of Sample Reports tutorial. Thanks for watching.